Hello everyone, this is Professor Robert Solis and welcome to this video lesson. We're going to talk about obtaining the software that you'll be using for your Unity programming course, and that means visiting unity3d.com. So within unity3d.com, whatever your screen looks like, you'll have the opportunity to download the software. If you wanted to navigate and take a look at some of the different items that are available here to see just how powerful Unity is, you should do that. It's a pretty amazing software. And the great thing is that it's going to be free for us. So you'll see over here it says Products. So we'll click on Products. And then you'll see the three different versions. We want the personal version. Check this out. Unless you make $100,000 with Unity, you are not charged for using their program, which is great for you and I because we can learn how to use it and become experts at it. And then later on, when you're making the big bucks, that's when you'll pay $25 a month or $125 a month for the pro version. But until then, unless you're making $100,000, if you're a beginner, if you're a student, if you're a hobbyist, then this personal version is exactly what you want. So we'll go ahead and click that. No credit card required. Perfect. So I'm going to say Learn More. Click on this. And we want to try the personal version. That's right. So I'm going to click on this. And you'll have to click the accepted terms to make sure that that's valid. Now for this course, I'll be using my Macintosh. So I'm going to say download, install it to the Mac OS. So I'll click on that. And it just downloaded, and so as you can see over here, it says Unity download. Now I've already downloaded it before, so I think it has some additional numbers at the end over here, but that's your DMG file. For those of you on the Windows machine, you would have just downloaded your exe file. Double click on that, install the software, and then in future video lessons we'll talk about actually creating very simple games. This is course number 1, so we're not going to do anything very sophisticated. Just trying to get you familiar with Unity, trying to get you familiar with some very simple 3D games and simple 2D games throughout the semester. So this is Professor Robert Solis. I hope this video lesson was helpful. Have a good day. See you next time.